Well, our wind came in and our tarp had to be pulled down, or actually the wind took it down, and we just wrapped the tomatoes. Let's see if it worked. Good morning. Okay, so today we've only got a couple of hours to get some work done because we've been running errands and just doing all kinds of stuff. So we're going to try to get the doorknob on the door because that'll make it easier to close and keep closed, and put the birds blocking up in the eaves here on the outside. And that's probably going to be it. Oh, maybe some caulking over the door and the window. Turn page around and start on one. Okay. Pretty. I like the colored black. So.
And Kira is super excited that she has a key.
I always wanted my own house keys. Like one of my biggest dreams.
To have your own house. You got your own house, girl. Not just a house key.
The house key is like, But the house key was like a really big thing to me back when I was a kid.
You had a house key when you were a kid, right?
Nope.
You weren't trusted with the house key?
No, we never locked
Kitty
it.
cat's gonna have to go in somewhere.
My mom never locked the house.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
Do it way easier. This part did.
Don't say
I
it.
now have to drill a hole into here.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard. Send a little love.
To be able to see in there,
My night vision goggles.
and we still don't have the window cut out of the plastic, so.
That's exactly it. Poor Kira, she's gonna get all the way back and I'm gonna have it done. She missed it. Okay, that can be tightened down though, so we'll leave that tightening down. Well, a little bit small. What'd she do with the short skirt? And I found a clippy. I was doing it with just this. Where's the shorter screws?
There you are.
All these busy people hurrying along. If they're not on the phone, they're all worried something's wrong. Making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we are racing to a red light.
All the light you get.
It's easier to work in that.
It's much easier to work in. But we got this on. It turns. We just gotta drill the hole here for that piece.
With what machine is that we're going to use?
What is that thingy called?
Well, so earlier I asked her, or we were talking about that, and she couldn't remember the name of it. And I was the only one. The city girl was the only one able to figure it out. Router! We're using a router. And the cool thing is it marks by just shutting it, so.
All the way. This thing faces this way. So
back out.
Freedom.
That line goes, if there's that line in the center. I don't know what part of this is actually leaking.
Nail.
I'm sure they sell this in a kit, this nail. Fingers crossed. Comment below if you think, right now, go comment below if you think we get this right on the first try.
And then comment the second time to say whether you were right or not.
Exactly. But, stealing my glasses. She must have talked to OSHA.
No, I'm pretty sure those people would not get off my feet.
I didn't see this. Hold the door.
Or hold the door plate. Isn't that what that's called? Door plate?
So then this would slip in, and then this would slip over it.
Uh-huh.
So you do have maybe a tiny bit of leeway for some mess up. Not much though. Okay. All right. Okay, tiny bit bigger. Ooh, almost. And I bet if this was rounded out, that would work right there. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm just thinking it needs to be just a tiny bit more rounder.
Okay, make it dry.
Don't cry, it's okay. We're almost done.
Straighten your eye. Time for a haircut. Alright, fits. Oh, it can go deeper though. Shoot, how are we gonna do that? Make that longer. It looks like you're a little bit more than halfway in. So see how deep that is? Okay. It's a little big.
Oopsie.
I was wondering what would happen without the guard.
You guys want to see?
Why would you show my mistakes?
Get it? I don't know. Wow, that thing chewed that up. Glue and shims are our friends.
We can fix it.
Boy. I can continue to go deeper. That needs to come out so I can test it. My beautiful door jam!
I can repaint it. Put a little glue filler and repaint it.
Checking to see if I got anything in my eye. I love you both too.
You didn't act like you had anything in your eye.
I did at the beginning.
You had eyeglasses on.
Exactly.
Yeah, but the wind from this thing blows it up from my
Okay,
shirt.
so
up.
super careful. Focus on what you're doing, please. Get that edge, please. It just, yeah. I don't know if I can fix that.
There's a knot right here it's catching on. That's why it's jumping like that.
Yeah. You have this screwed on all the way to the deepest So we're going to try to just cover it and come back to it later. So hopefully her door can just close for now. Ooh. That screwed it all. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let's see if the door closes. What is going on here? It's pretty snug. nuts, it hooks, so it's gonna have to be pulled on there. That'll get us for now, and then we'll have to kind of figure out how we're gonna fix this. 'Cause I don't want to replace this whole thing. I put that in there like nobody's business. Possibly 9,000 nails in this board.
She does like her nails.
I do like the nail gun. Makes me feel powerful, independent, strong. I think we could wood glue that all together. There'll be a door frame over here.
Comment below if you guys have suggestions. We'll probably have it fixed by then, but we'd like to hear your thoughts.
Don't tell me what I did wrong.
Yeah, we shouldn't have taken that off.
You already told me.
The guide off. So that's all I can do is sink this. Normally you countersink this down in, and then it squishes in, and then you don't have to pull it so hard. So I know that I'm going to do that. I just don't know how to fix all this. And then you take the router and you do this area right here to countersink that, which we really can't do that right now because I planned on screwing this on and then scribing around it and then doing the routering that space right there. But this will get the door closed and it'll be good.
Yay!
You got a lock on your door. Nobody comes in anymore. You got a lock on your door.